Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. Today we are continuing to read chapter number 13, which was talking about it is my intention to optimize my capacity to heal and be healed from this beautiful book, The Power of Intention. Let me very quickly start sharing the screen so that we can read together. But let me share with you as to what exactly are we going to read today. Today we are going to read from the thought of sickness to intention of wellness. Isn't that such a beautiful way of putting it? हम सब चाहते हैं कि हमारी जो थॉट्स ऑफ सिकनेस हैं उसको हम शिफ्ट करके इसके अंदर इंटेंशन ऑफ वेलनेस के अंदर लेके आए. Isn't that true? Let's read what exactly the author has to share. From thoughts of sickness to intentions of wellness. You are probably familiar with the phrase, and God intended, let there be light, and there was light. From the Old Testament. If you look in an English Hebrew dictionary, you will find that English translation of the Hebrew can be read as and God intended. The decision to create is the decision to intend. To create healing, you can't have thoughts of illness and anticipate your body falling victim to disease. Become aware of the thoughts you have that support the idea of sickness as something to be expected. Begin noticing the frequency of those thoughts. The more they occupy your mental landscape, the more resistance you are creating to realizing your intention. I still remember that when my youngest daughter was really young, she was like 3-4 years old. तब से एक बार she got 105 fever on her birthday. And she formed a belief that on every birthday she will get ill. She will get unwell. And 5 days before the birthday, she used to start saying, I am going to get unwell. I am going to get unwell. Isn't it, Mama? I will be so unwell because it's my birthday. I am going to have 105 fever. And I used to be like, why do you say this way? And to be honest, at that time, I did not even know that any concept of manifestation. एंड आई यूज टू टेल एवरीबडी कि साइकोलॉजिकली अपने आप को बीमार कर लेती है. एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंस, इजंट इट? कि हम लोग जिस चीज के ऊपर हमारा फर्म बिलीफ बन जाता है, अब वो बिलीव्स टर्न इनटू रियलिटी. एंड हम लोग वो जैसे जैसे हम सोचते हैं कि हाँ आई एम अनवेल, आई एम अनवेल, आई एम अनवेल, सो बी इट. भगवान कहता सो बी इट. So she used to think कि हाँ मेरे हर birthday पे I will be unwell, I will be unwell, and she used to be unwell until last to last birthday, wherein I started working with her on the concept कि पता है क्या, you get to enjoy more when you are not, when you are healthy, and I know that you are going to be healthy this birthday. She was एक दिन पहले she again started. पूरे 5 दिन उसने कुछ नहीं बोला before the birthday, but one day before, मम्मी कल तो बर्थडे है तो मेरे को फीवर हो जाएगा ना. And I'm like, nahi, nahi, this time it is not going to happen. And she was like, why? I'm like, because I told you so. And then she's like, oh, wow, nice. I'm not going to have fever this birthday. And she did not get the fever. Hi, Anita, thank you for joining in. So today
Hi, Grishma.
we are reading about from thought of sickness to the intentions of wellness. You know what those thoughts of resistance sound like? I can't do anything about this arthritis. It's a flu season. I feel okay now, but by the weekend, it will be in my chest and I will have a fever. We live in a kaki, something world.
It's a carcinogenic.
ये क्या होता है?
I don't know, but pronunciation will be carcinogenic.
Carcinogenic.
इस सी के साथ, हाँ, सी के साथ जब आई आता है तो सी की प्रोनाउंसिएशन स हो जाती है.
Oh, thank you. I learned something today. Carcinogenic world. Everything is either flattening or filled with chemicals. I feel so tired all the time. On and on they go. They are like huge barricades blocking the realization of your intention. Notice the thoughts that represent a decision on your part to buy into the illness mentality of the huge profit making drug companies and a healthcare industry that thrives on your fears. हमारे जितनी भी वेलनेस इश्यूज हैं इज मोस्टली बिकॉज ऑफ फियर और जितनी हम लोग फियरफुल होते हैं उतनी ही हम उतनी ज्यादा दवाइयां भी खाते हैं उसे क्या हो रहा है हमारे साथ कुछ हो रहा हो या ना हो रहा हो वी बिलीव कि मैं मेडिसिन खाऊंगी जिसकी वजह से मेरा सिर दर्द ठीक हो जाएगा मैं मेडिसिन खाऊंगी जिसकी वजह से मेरा अर्थराइटिस ठीक हो जाएगा मैं मेडिसिन खाऊंगी जिसकी वजह से मेरे को समथिंग विल नॉट हैपन और समथिंग इज गोइंग टू गेट क्योर्ड कौन अमीर हो रहा है हेल्थ केयर इंडस्ट्री उन्होंने इतने इंजेक्शन लगाए कोविड के टाइम पे इतने इंजेक्शन लगाए कौन अमीर हुआ आपको पता है कि उस इंजेक्शन वो इंजेक्शन था भी कि पानी डाल रहे थे आपकी बॉडी में एंड आजकल तो ये भी सुनने में आ रहा है कि द ऑल द पीपल हु एक्चुअली गॉट द वैक्सीनेशन डन आर मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल जिनको हार्ट अटैक जितनों को हार्ट अटैक हुआ है अचानक से इधर उधर खड़े हुए सबको वैक्सीनेशन लगा हुआ अब जितनी बातें उतने जितने मुंह उतनी बातें बट यू हैव टू बी स्ट्रांग हेयर अपने थॉट्स प्रोसेस को ठीक रखेंगे तो सब कुछ ठीक रहेगा डज दैट मीन कि जिन्होंने वैक्सीनेशन नहीं लगवाई उनको हार्ट अटैक नहीं हुआ ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं है होता होगा बट देखने में रिसर्च के हिसाब से ऐसा कुछ कुछ आया है सामने बट यू आर द डिवाइन रिमेंबर you are a piece of universal mind of intention and you do not have to think in these ways you can opt to think that you have the ability to raise your energy level even if all of the advertising around you points to be different conclusion. You can go within and hold an intention that says, I want to feel good. I intend to feel good. I intend to return to my source and I refuse to allow any other thoughts of disorder or disease in. This is the beginning. You will feel empowered by this unique experience. Then, in any given moment or not feeling well, choose thoughts of healing and feeling good. In that instant, feeling good takes over if only for a few seconds. सो नॉर्मली स्पीकिंग हमारी जब भी नेगेटिव लूप में जाएंगे तो हम लोग अट्रैक्ट करेंगे टू बी ऑनेस्ट हम लोग तभी अट्रैक्ट करते हैं हम लोगों के अंदर कुछ ना कुछ इमोशनल जब ड्रेनेज होती है तब हम लोगों को ज्यादा इलनेसेस इफेक्ट करती हैं एंड जब जब आप अपने आप को अगर आप बिलीव करना शुरू हो जाओगे दैट यू आर अ पार्ट यू आर अ पीस ऑफ दैट पावर ऑफ इंटेंशन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट आपकी एनर्जी लेवल आपको हमेशा ऊपर रखनी है और आप नहीं ऐसी इलनेसेस अट्रैक्ट करोगे इवन इफ यू डू इट हैज गिवन affirmation that आप ये affirmation करो so that you start feeling better. I cannot feel even worse if I keep telling I want to feel good. 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 जितनी बार बोलते हो उतनी बार आपकी एनर्जी इतनी इतनी इंच 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 करके अप होनी शुरू हो जाती है when you refuse to live in low energy and you work moment by moment to introduce thoughts that support your intention, you have effectively decided that wellness is your choice and being a healer is a part of that decision. At this time, wheels of creation are set in motion, and what you have imagined and created in your mind begins to take form in your everyday life. Give it a shot the next time you are low energy thinking of any kind. Just note how quickly you can change how you feel by refusing to think thoughts that are out of harmony with the source of intention. It works like Kanya. It works for me, and I encourage you to do so as well. I simply will not think any longer that I must be a victim of illness or disability. And I will not spend the precious moments of my life discussing illness. I am a healer. I heal myself by co creating health with God. And I give this gift to others as well. This is my intention. um ये इनफैक्ट आप खुद भी नॉर्मली स्पीकिंग एवरीडे डे टू डे लाइफ में भी ये करके देख सकते हो दैट जो आप बोलते हो एक्चुअली गेट्स मैनिफेस्टेड. जब बहुत गर्मी लगे ना, अपने आप को बोलना शुरू कर दो, व्हाट अ गुड वेदर, व्हाट अ गुड वेदर, वाह आज के मौसम मौसम ने तो कमाल कर रखा है, बड़ा मजा आया, आज अच्छा मौसम है. And बेशक एक सेकंड के लिए आपको फील हो, तो यू विल फील बेटर. When you are feeling sad, if you tell yourself, I choose to be happy, I choose to be happy, I choose to be happy, what is going to happen? एक छोटी सी स्माइल तो जरूर आएगी. You cannot say positive words while being in the sad emotion. Anita, do you want to share anything up till here?
Every time try to be in alignment with God.
Yes.
That's what it is saying.
इस पूरी बुक का
Whenever
सार
you
यही
go
है.
down.
इस पूरी बुक का सिंगल सेंटेंस में अगर आप इसको कंप्लीट करना चाहो, इस बुक का निचोड़, तो दैट इज टू बी इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एंड इनहेल the concept of power of intention and operate through the 7 phases of intention.
The 7 phases is the main concept, right?
7 phases नहीं पता. 7 phases of
हाँ नहीं वही कह रही हूँ कि वो मेन कंसेप्ट है, उसमें
Yes.
लव था.
हाँ, 7 phases of intention बताते हैं. ये तो बुक मेरे सामने ही है ना. First was phase of creativity, then kindness, then love, then beauty, फिर रिसेप्टिवनेस भी था कहीं पे, एक्सपेंशन, अनलिमिटेड अबंडेंस एंड रिसेप्टिविटी. अब इनको कैसे अपनी लाइफ में हर चीज के लिए हमने इम्प्लीमेंट करना है इज अ टास्क. इनफैक्ट ये आप एज अ जर्नलिंग प्रॉम्प्ट भी ले सकते हो. राइट द 7 फेसेस ऑफ इंटेंशन एंड राइट कि जो व्हील ऑफ लाइफ है इसके अंदर आप उन 7 फेसेस ऑफ इंटेंशन को हर एक फेस के लिए कैसे यूज कर सकते हो टू मेक योर जर्नी बेटर एंड मोर ब्यूटिफुल. और आपको पता है, इट इज सेइंग इलनेस इज नॉट अ पनिशमेंट. व्हेन आई रीड इट राइट नाउ, तो मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा आता है कि इलनेस इज नॉट अ पनिशमेंट, इट इज अ मैसेज दैट यू आर अवे फ्रॉम द पावर ऑफ इंटेंशन. मैंने पढ़ा नहीं है, बट लेट्स रीड कि क्या कह रहे हैं.
Krishna, I would like to say something. Like I am having my cousin who is 3 years elder than me. ठीक है. शी इज हैविंग, जैसे आप अभी बात कर रहे थे ना हार्ट अटैक का, कह रहे हैं कि हार्ट अटैक उसके कारण आते हैं जो इंजेक्शन लगे हैं.
यू आर ऑन म्यूट.
आज मैं मायके में आ गई हूँ ना.
अरे वाह, क्या बात है.
मैं क्या कह रही हूँ, मेरी कजिन है, शी इज 3 years elder than me. उसका कहना है पहले वे धीरे धीरे उसके पैर वर्क करना काम करना बंद हुए, ठीक है ना, पैरों पे भार ही नहीं आता, धीरे धीरे लेग्स भी जा रही हैं। पहले तो ये कह रहे थे कि मे भी शायद बीच में भी कोरोना के इंजेक्शन का साइड इफेक्ट है। हमारे पंजाब में ये ऐसे कह रहे हैं कि टोटल 3-4 केसेस ऐसे हैं, मतलब कि उन्होंने पीजीआई भी दिखा लिया है, डॉक्टर ने जवाब दे दिया। कई बार ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है होपोनोपोनो वगैरह इन चीजों से क्या वो हील हो सकती है जो रेकी से, मुझे नहीं समझ आता। क्योंकि किसी को रेफर करने पहले तो कोई मानता ही नहीं है ना। मुझे खुद नहीं समझ आता, आपने फिर भी जर्नी ज्यादा देखी है मेरे से इन चीजों में। व्हाट यू कैन से।
जब कोई चीज हो ही गई होती है ना, जब तक नहीं होता, it is so much easier to stay away from them. When you get into it, then understand that it is not a punishment. It was meant to happen. What you can do about it is surrender. Surrender to the process of life, to the power of intention, to the higher energies, and see what holds for you in the future. आप कुछ, I don't know if you can do anything about it, but as much as I have seen, इवन होपनोपोनो भी जब आप एक्चुअल अपनी रेकी में एनर्जी वर्क है बहुत सारा, राइट? तो रेकी में वो पाम से अपनी एनर्जी देते हैं, एंड वो जब देते हैं तो फॉर एन इंस्टेंट दे फील बेटर। बट अब आप सारा टाइम तो वो एनर्जी नहीं देते रह सकते ना। तो एनर्जी वर्क्स, आई नो दैट। होपनोपोनो वर्क्स, वॉट एवर यू बिलीव इन वर्क्स। कई लोग कहते हैं ना कि मंदिर जाओ, जैसे मर्जी जाओ, नाक रगड़ो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा। उनके लिए वो ठीक हो जाता है। आप गुरुद्वारे जाओ, आप झाड़ू लगाओ, जिस हाथ में दर्द है उसी हाथ से झाड़ू लगाओ, वो ठीक हो जाएगा। इट वर्क्स फॉर देम। व्हाई डज इट वर्क? बिकॉज दे हैव दैट बिलीफ। वॉट एवर यू बिलीव इन shall come true to you. Does that
ओके।
answer your question?
हाँ, उनके विश्वास पे डिपेंड करता है ना।
अगर
राइट।
जिसको वो चीज लेनी है, इफ दे बिलीव कि हाँ ये जो कर रहे हैं ये मेरे पे वर्क करेगा, then it will work on them. If they don't believe it, it's not going to. Why not everybody can do the Reiki healing? Unless and until you have full conviction in the concept, तब तक नहीं होगा। आप जो मर्जी यहां से बैठ के ऐसे एनर्जी देने की कोशिश कर लो, या फिर पास जाके आप इंसान को एनर्जी देने की कोशिश कर लो, अनलेस एंड अनटिल आपको खुद को जो दे रहा है, द गिवर हैज द फुल कन्विक्शन एंड द रिसीवर इज फुली रिसेप्टिव टू रिसीव एंड बिलीव्स दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन मी, नथिंग कैन वर्क। तब तो भगवान भी साथ नहीं दे सकता। भगवान भी कहते हैं मेरे पे भरोसा कर, तब मैं करता हूं। हम तो फिर इंसान है, राइट? Shall we go ahead? Illness became, wait, illness is not a punishment. Illness became a component of the human condition when we separated ourselves from the perfect health from which we were intended. Rather than attempting to intellectualize reasons why people get sick and come up with the rationale for understanding illness, I encourage you to think of yourself as having the potential to become a master healer. Try visualizing all of the human illness from the perspective of something that the human race has collectively brought upon itself by identifying with the ego rather than staying in with the divinity from which we emanated. जितनी छेड़छाड़ हम लोगों ने की है with the nature, with the beauty of the whatever the creator had given us, Because of that we are facing what we are facing right now. हमने सोचा कि जो क्रिएटर ने बना के भेजा है उससे ज्यादा सुंदर हम बना सकते हैं, इसीलिए काटते गए ना, पेड़ भी काट दिए, ये भी कर दिया, मॉल्स बना दिए, बड़े बड़े स्काई स्क्रेपर्स बना दिए, कितना कुछ कर दिया। एंड
तभी तो
अभी भी जिन सिटीज में बहुत नेचर होगी, जहां पे ऐसे एकदम क्लोजर टू द नेचर होगा, दोज प्लेसेस विल बी स्टिल मच बेटर। क्या बोल रहे थे अनीता आप?
तभी तो कोरोना जैसी बीमारी झेली है लोगों ने।
एग्जैक्टली exactly. और अभी तो वो पता नहीं क्या आर्टिफिशियल रेन करवा देते हैं, कभी कभी कुछ कभी कुछ। इज इट गोइंग टू सॉर्ट आउट, एंड व्हाई डज दिस नीड टू हैपन? आर्टिफिशियल रेन करवानी क्यों पड़ रही है? इतने पेड़ तुमने काट दिए, जो पूरा वाटर साइकिल था वो गड़बड़ा दिया, तो कुछ तो गड़बड़ खुद ही करनी थी, तो कुछ तो अपने आप में फिर करना ही पड़ेगा ना आपको भी। दे आर डूइंग ऑल बकवास, बट चलो वट एवर इट इज, because we are closer to the power of intention, we shall stay safe at all the times. Out of this collective ego identification, we brought about all that goes with the ego problems: fear, hate, despair, anxiety, depression, all of it. The ego feeds on these emotions because it's insistent on its own identity as a separate entity apart from the God force that intended us here. हम लोगों के अंदर जितना ईगो है ना कि वो अलग है, वो बड़ा, वो छोटा, ये उतना ही हमारे अंदर ये सारे प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा है। फियर है, हेट है, डेस्पेयर है, जेलसी है, रिसेंटमेंट्स हैं, एंजाइटी है, डिप्रेशन, सब कुछ ज्यादा इसलिए है। एंड यू विल सी द पर्सन हु स्टेज अवे फ्रॉम कंपैरिजंस, फ्रॉम द ईगो सेल्फ, निमाना। कहते हैं ना कि जो क्या कहते हैं, जो पेड़ झुका हुआ होता है वो ही फल देता है, तना हुआ पेड़ कभी फल नहीं देता। जो इंसान हम्बल रहता है वो हमेशा सादगी में सवरा रहता है। जो इंसान तन के रहता है उसके साथ ईगो अटैच हो जाती है और उसको इन सब चीजों की प्रॉब्लम है। क्यों? बिकॉज दैट पर्सन फियर्स कि हाय राम, किसी दिन मेरा सारी लग्जरी गायब हो गई, हाय राम जिस दिन मेरा ये खत्म हो गया, किसी दिन किसी को ये पता चल गया क्या होगा। वो फियर में रहता है। कोई उससे थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ गया, वो उसको कंपैरिजन में जेलसी होनी शुरू हो जाती है। हर चीज इसी पर डिपेंड कर रही होती है। In one way or the another, virtually every single member of the human race brought into this idea of separation and ego identification. Consequently, illness, disease, sickness, and the need for healing simply come from the territory of being human. Welcome, Madhulika. Thank you for joining in. However, you need not feel stuck there. The power of intention is about returning to the source of perfection. It's about knowing that the power to heal is all wrapped up in making that divine connection, and that the source of all life does not punish, offering karmic paybacks through suffering and hardships. You don't have a need for healing because we were bad or ignorant, or as retribution for past life offenses. We have taken on whatever you are experiencing. You have taken up whatever you are experiencing for whatever lesson you need to learn on this journey. Just like अभी अनीता आप बोल रहे थे ना, तो this is the message that you need to, you know, stick to. कि you have taken on whatever you are experiencing for whatever lessons you need to learn on this journey, which is being orchestrated by all providing intelligence that we are calling intention. मतलब कि जो हो रहा है भगवान की दया मेहर से हो रहा है, accepted as it is because it has been sent your way to teach you something. अब वो क्या टीचिंग
मुझे
हो सकती है, क्या लेसन ऑफ लाइफ हो सकता है, क्या लर्निंग हो सकती है, दैट यू हैव टू सिट, रिफ्लेक्ट एंड अंडरस्टैंड। क्या पता ना, हमको पता ही नहीं। कई लड़कियां होती हैं इन देयर यूथ, दे आर सो प्राउड अबाउट देयर ब्यूटी एंड घास नहीं डालनी, मैं तो ऐसे लड़के से शादी करूंगी। मैंने कई एग्जांपल्स देखे हैं इस चीज के, तो मुझको ऐसे लड़के से शादी करनी है, मैं तुझसे क्यों करूं, दिस एंड दैट। एंड फ्यू years आफ्टर मैरिज द हस्बैंड इज ट्रैश। वो ड्रग्स ले रहा है, वो जुआ खेल रहा है, वो शराब पी रहा है, नॉनवेज खा रहा है, अपनी बीवी को मार रहा है। बीवी की बेचारी जो इतनी सुंदर, जैसे एकदम ताजा ताजा फूल खिला हुआ लड़की होती है, वो एकदम मुरझाई हुई, पता नहीं क्या हो गया। 20 साल बाद, 10 साल बाद उस लड़की को देख रहे हैं, यू आर लाइक, हाय राम तुझको क्या हो गया। एंड शी वुड बी लाइक, लाइफ। अब आपको क्या लेसन मिल रहा है, वो बेचारी क्यों खराब हो गई, उसने ऐसा क्या गलत किया था दैट शी इज अ विडो राइट नाउ। लेसन था ना, ना इतराओ, ये जो है इस सूरत पे मत इतराओ, जस्ट बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर व्हाट यू हैव बीन गिविंग। जब जब हम ईगो में आ जाते कि हाँ ये मेरे पास तो बहुत बढ़िया है, हम भगवान की दया को भूल जाते हैं, हम भूल जाते हैं कि दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ जेनेटिक्स, we will see that some folly is going to happen in the future. In an entire eternal universe, you must view yourself and all others in infinite terms. Infinite terms means that you have infinite number of opportunities to show up in a material body to co-create anything. As you view the sickness of the mind and body that permeates your own life as well as the rest of the humanity, try viewing it as a part of infinite nature of your world, of our world. If starvation, pestilence, or disease are part of the perfection of the universe, then so is your intention to end these things a part of that same perfection. Now decide to stay with that intention, first in your own life, then in the lives of others. Your intention will match up with the intention of the universe, which knows nothing of ego and separation, and all thoughts of illness as punishment and karmic playbacks will cease to exist. Wow. ठीक है, तो अगर हमको अपने आप को ये समझ में समझा ले कि ये सब कुछ ईगो की वजह से, एंड बिकॉज वी ट्राई टू सेपरेट आवर सेल्स फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर, because of that this is happening, this is no karmic payback, this is nothing at all, this is not a punishment at all, maybe we might start living a different kind of life. मुझे नहीं पता how much it is true, अगर उन राइटर ने लिखा है तो there must be something that he would have observed or कुछ experience किया होगा, that is why he might have written it. But for us, from the background that I come from, मुझको तो सारी उम्र से यही पता था, it is the law of karma, जो किया वो भुगतोगे। हमने हर जगह पढ़ा है ना, what you sow so shall you reap। अभी यहाँ पे उसने चेंज ही कर दिया पूरा कंसेप्ट की ईगो और सेपरेशन की वजह से हमको इलनेसेस होती हैं। Madhulika, do you want to share anything? Are you getting into the mood of the book? Are you getting what we are talking? Power of intention is the power of universe, the universal power, the higher power, the godly, nearing to godliness and all. Are you near to the godliness? Are you feeling sleepy?
Not
Are you
me.
bored?
No, 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 no.
अच्छा।
I'm just listening. I'm just soaking in कि क्या चल रहा है।
हम्म।
मेरे को कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं पता ना, ऑथर का भी नहीं पता, क्या सोच के लिख रहा है भाई किताब, ये भी नहीं पता।
हम्म। सो जब हमने ये बुक उठाई थी, आई विल टेल यू मधुलिका, द पावर ऑफ इंटेंशन, जब हमने पढ़ा तो दिमाग में मेरे जो आया था दैट वाज हम लोग हर रोज बात करते हैं व्हाट इज योर इंटेंशन ऑफ द डे. व्हेन आई वेक अप आई हैव एन इंटेंशन दैट टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू बी अ गिवर सोल. टुडे आई विल बी अ हैप्पी सोल. This is the kind of intentions that I was setting. When we started reading this book, we understood that this power of intention that is being talked about is the universal power. It is the, what do you call, जिसके ऊपर भी आपको बिलीफ हो, यूनिवर्स पे हो, द एनर्जी, हायर एनर्जीज पर हो, भगवान पर हो, उसके बारे में है. इट इज अ वेरी स्पिरिचुअल, हाईली स्पिरिचुअल बुक. आगे बढ़ते हैं. एंड एक्चुअली सच्ची बताऊं तो इफ यू डू नॉट गेट दिस राइट नाउ, आई विल एब्सोल्युटली अंडरस्टैंड इट, बिकॉज हम लोग भी फर्स्ट फ्यू चैप्टर्स ऐसे ही पढ़ रहे थे, वेर इन वी वर लाइक, अच्छा, ओ अच्छा 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 अच्छा, ये मतलब है, ओके ओके ओके, गॉट इट. तो दिस बुक would it's a entire, it is, this book is like a full journey of taking you into that emotion. So I don't know how quickly will you adapt to its language and all, but all the best. Making your intention your reality. Below is my 10-step plan for implementing the intention of this chapter to optimize your capacity to heal and be healed. Step number 1. You can't heal anyone until you allow yourself to be healed. Work in collaborative effort with your source to create a sense of your own healing. Put all of your focus energy on knowing that you can be healed of physical or emotional disruptions to your perfect health. Connect to loving, kind, receptive to healing energy, which is the field that intended you here. Be willing to accept the fact that you are a part of the healing energy of all the life. The same force that heals a cut on your hand and grows a new skin to repair it permanently is both in your hand and in the universe as well. You are it, it is you. There is no separation. Be conscious of staying in contact with this healing energy because it is impossible to separate from it except if your ego diminished thoughts. अनीता, जो हम अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बात कर रहे थे, this is the point that we were discussing. We have to have full faith in that energy. We have to be receptive to it as well, right? तो और इस चैप्टर में शुरू में ये भी एक कंसेप्ट आया था कि अगर आपको किसी को हील करना है, फर्स्ट यू नीड टू बी फुली हील्ड. The path that you have walked, you will be so much easily be able to help another person to walk the same path. You cannot help anybody else to walk the same path if you have not walked it yourself. Step number 2. The healing energy that you are connected to at all times is what you have to give away to others. The healing energy that you are connected to at all times is what you give. In fact, जब मैं कहती हूँ ना कि I choose to operate from love and understanding, I believe the fact that I am being understood and I am being loved so much that my cup is filled with those two things, surely, and I can give it to others. Offer this energy freely and keep your ego entirely out of the healing process. Remember how Saint Francis responded when asked why he didn't heal himself of his disease, which would cause his death at the age of 45. I want everyone to know that it is God who does this healing. Saint Francis was healed of ego domination and he deliberately held on to his infirmities to teach others that it was God's energy working through him that provided the energy for all of his miraculous healings. ये कंसेप्ट भी पहले इस बुक में इसी चैप्टर में डिस्कस हुआ है. दैट वाज कि जो हीलर होता है, हीलर्स जॉब इज टू ओपन द सोल ऑफ द पर्सन हु नीड्स टू बी हील्ड. अगर वो इस एनर्जी के साथ जाता है तो इट इज सो मच इजियर. एंड वंस द सोल इज ओपन टू रिसीव, हीलर साइड हो जाता है, भगवान आके अपना काम करके जाता है. वी डोंट. सो देर आर टू वेज ऑफ डूइंग इट. एक ईगोसेंट्रिक सेल्फ होगा हु विल से कि मैंने इसको हील कर दिया. Look at my win. I did this, I did this, I did this. And there is another way wherein you make God your source. मतलब कि God works through you. Where I don't know whether I should be saying this or not, but जब भी वन ऑन वन कॉल होती है ना, मुझको हर बार बहुत सारी धक धक होती है. अब like, पता नहीं सामने वाला क्या पूछने वाला है, क्या बोलने वाला है. I sit on this chair and I just meditate for 5 minutes, 10 minutes ki I don't know what this soul needs. I don't know how is it going to be. And I make sure that I am never, never, never away from this place where I'm sitting right now whenever I'm taking a one-on-one call. I pray and I pray and I pray कि जो इनको चाहिए ना वो आप अपने आप दे देना, मुझे नहीं पता है. And when people tell me कि हाँ, you know, I felt this way. You told me this affirmation, मैंने ये affirmation करी, 2 दिन बाद impact भी दिख गया. And I'm like, है सच्ची? क्या थी affirmation, मुझे भी बता दे. क्योंकि मैंने तो नहीं दी है. I have पक्का faith in this fact कि मैंने नहीं दी होगी. It is somebody else who has given it, and that is only मेरे तो घर के, मेरे मतलब यहाँ पे ये साइड में मेरे घर में मंदिर है, एंड मंदिर वाले रूम में बैठ के आई टेक दीज सेशंस. तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे पंखा कम चलता है, यहाँ पे एसी कम चलता है. कब एसी तो है ही नहीं, पंखे कम चलते हैं. इस तरफ का तो बिल्कुल नहीं चलता है, इस तरफ का चलता है कि जोत ना बुझ जाए. हमारे घर में 24 आवर्स जोत जलती है. एंड आई एम लाइक, जब भी मैं इस चेयर पे बैठती हूँ और स्पेशली फॉर द कॉल्स, आई एम लाइक प्लीज गाइड मी. आई एम नो नथिंग. यू आर द ओनली वन हु इज गोइंग टू टॉक थ्रू मी. आई कैन नॉट हील एनीबडी. आई कैन नॉट गिव what anybody is expecting. क्यों? क्योंकि एज अ कोच, डू यू थिंक हमारे को सब कुछ पता है? कुछ नहीं पता है. दुनिया को बहुत कुछ पता है. एंड व्हेन यू सिट एंड यू आर लाइक, कोई आपको, somebody is looking up upon you कि तू बताएगी कि हाँ मैं क्या करूं, you would be like, I तो feel even more humbler and you know go down. कभी कभी तो ऐसा लगता है कि भैया जमीन पे झुक के बैठे रहो कि भैया आपने लाज बचाई हुई है और ये काम चल रहा है. That's it. That brings us to step number 3. So stay humble, stay in gratitude, stay in connection with the universal power for you to be जो भी जो भी समझ जाओ, to be a healer. Step number 3. By raising your energy to a vibrational match with the field of intention, you are strengthening your immune system and increasing the production of well-being enzymes in the brain. Wah, kya baat hai. A change in personality from being spiteful, pessimistic, angry, sullen, and disagreeable to one of passion, optimism, kindness, joy, and understanding is often the key when witnessing miraculous acts of spontaneous recovery from fatalistic prognostications. ये जो भी होता है, मुझे कंसेप्ट बड़ा पसंद आया कि जब जब आप you are connected to the higher frequency vibrations, you are strengthening your own immune system. Have you seen कि कोविड के अंदर जितनों को जितना ज्यादा डर लगा था, उतनों की उतनी बुरी हालत हुई थी. और जो लोग थोड़ा सा भी पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट में थे, दे वर ट्राइंग टू एंजॉय द टाइम बिकॉज फैमिली के साथ. फॉर मी इट वाज लाइक अ वेरी ब्लिसफुल मोमेंट. वो रीजन ये था कि मेरे तो पति के पास टाइम ही नहीं था जिंदगी में कभी भी टू स्पेंड विद मी. ही वाज टू बिजी. ही इज अ वर्कहोलिक. एंड कोविड वाज द टाइम व्हेन वी स्पेंड द मोस्ट टाइम टुगेदर. दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन आवर बॉन्ड वाज रीबिल्ड. कि अच्छा हम पति पत्नी हैं, वी नो ईच अदर. दैट वाज द टाइम व्हेन माय किड्स actually had a bond with their father. For us, it was a blissful time. And शुक्राना ये है कि we didn't face any losses either in the family. So everything was good. Everybody was spending time with their own families. No घर में कोई आ रहा जा रहा है तो फालतू का काम भी नहीं करना था. We are just being ourselves and doing our things. तो I think that जितने लोग कहते हैं ना COVID was the reason why we got divorces, I would say COVID was the reason why I didn't ever got divorced. क्योंकि I got to know my husband better, my husband got to know me better, we all got connected better and things went better for us.
हाँ, वो कहते हैं ना, कोविड में पता लगा यार, आदमी तो ठीक ही है, ये कोई बुरा नहीं है ऐसे।
इतना बुरा तो नहीं है जितना लगता
हाँ,
था.
इतना तो बुरा नहीं है जितना लगता।
So true. And I तो saw
ठीक ही
another
है,
version
घर
of my
वाले भी
husband.
ठीक ही हैं।
मतलब I never thought that he is a very kind-hearted soul. I never thought that he would go out of the way. जब पता नहीं लोग सड़क पे चल पड़े थे अपने अपने गांव को जाने के लिए, he was there standing, पूरी गाड़ी भर के पानी खाना सब कुछ बांटने के लिए he went out. And I was like, oh my God, ये मेरा पति है, wow. And I was like, wow. And anyway, point is, जब आप अपनी एनर्जी को रेस करते हो, you see that you are more immune, your immune system is good. कम हमारे को हेल्थ डिसऑर्डर्स होंगे. इन दिस चैप्टर इटसेल्फ, इससे पहले कहीं पे ये भी बोला गया था, द वेन एवर यू आर इन अनकंफर्टेबल जोन हेल्थ वाइज, आप थोड़े से बीमार फील कर रहे हो, अपने आप को अवे फ्रॉम द हेल्दी यू फील कर रहे हो, द रीजन माइट बी दैट यू आर away from the higher source of energies and you're getting into your egoistic self, because fear brings in a lot of illnesses. Step number 4 says practice surrender. Let go and let God is a great theme in the recovery movement. अनीता बोला ना, let God do the things. अभी मैंने अनीता को ये सजेस्ट किया. अभी तो जो हो चुका है, अभी तो रब राखा करो. It is also a wonderful reminder in the world of healing. By surrendering, you are able to have reverence for and commune with the source of all healings. Remember that the field of intention does not know anything about healing per se, because it is spiritual perfection already, and it creates from that perspective. It's ego consciousness that creates the disorder, disharmony, and disease in our world. And it is in returning to that spiritual perfection that harmony of body, mind, and spirit are realized. When this balance of symmetry is restored, we call it healing. But the source knows nothing of healing because it creates only perfect health. It is to this perfect health that you must surrender. जब ये मैं पढ़ रही थी ना, एक और बात दिमाग में आई थी, that is, so it skipped my mind, but do you want to share anything, Madhulika? Are you getting the gist of the book?
हम्म।
No, नहीं आ रहा. Practice surrender. Surrender is one of the beautiful practices that helps you move forward in life as well. Not only for your, health, but other aspects of life as well. Step number 5 says, Anita, do you want to share anything?
नो कृष्णा, मुझे नींद आ रही है अब तो.
अरे नींद नहीं आनी है, अब तो मम्मी के घर हो, अभी तो जाग जाओ. चलो, पॉइंट नंबर 5 आप पढ़ के बताओ.
ठीक है.
लाइक आ रहा है.
Do not ask to be healed, ask to be restored. to that perfection from which you emanated. Here is where you want to hold an intention for yourself and for others in an unbending, non-negotiable way. Let nothing interfere with the intention you have to heal and be healed. Discard all negativity that you encounter. Refuse to let in an energy that will weaken your body or your resolve. Convey this to others as well. Remember, you are not asking your source to heal you because this assumes health is missing. आगे करना फिर from your life. It assumes scarcity, but the source can only recognize as and respond to what it is already. And you too are a component of that source. Come to the source as whole and complete. Banish all thoughts of illness and know that by connecting back to this source, filling yourself with it, and offering it to others, you become healing itself. Step number 6, know that you are adored. Look for reasons to praise and feel good. In the moment in which you are experiencing thoughts that make you feel sick or bad, do your best to change them to thoughts that put you are feeling good. And if that seems impossible, then do your very best to say nothing at all. Refuse to talk about disease and work to activate thoughts that predict recovery, feeling good, and perfect health. Picture yourself as healthy and free of disability. Be on the lookout for the opportunity to literally say to yourself, I feel good. I intend to attract more of this good feeling and I intend to give it away to any and all in need of it. Means we have to think good. If we are in good or bad emotion, anything, we have to make it perfect. Every moment we have to make perfect. That's what this point is saying, step number 6. And step number 5 was that if we have to operate from the source only. If we are connected with the source, we can heal and we don't have to think negative. If we are thinking negative and we are healing, then that will not happen. Step number 7, seek out and cherish the silence. Many people who have suffered with long-term illness have been able to return to their source through the channel of nature and contemplative silence. Spend time in quiet meditation, visualizing yourself coupled with the perfectly healthy field of intention. Commune with the source of all that is good, all that is well, and practice assessing this high spiritual energy, bathing your entire being in this light. Meditation is always healing for me. When I am fatigued, I a few moments in silence, assessing higher loving and kind vibrations energizes me. When I feel out of sorts, a few moments in quiet mode, making conscious contact with God provides me with all that I need to not only feel good, but to help others do the same. I always remember Melville's timely words, silence is the only voice of our God. Here is an
Ex
excerpt, क्या बोलेंगे इसको?
exert.
Excerpt from a letter written to me by Darby Hubbard, who now lives in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. For more than 2 decades, she struggled with feeling used as well as watching her own physical condition. कहाँ पे है? Deteriorate. She opted for nature's silence and meditation. I repeat her words below. For a year, I lived out of boxes in an empty house. Then, to remove myself from this negative energy field and scorn of people who were sitting in judgment, I moved 2,000 miles away to Jackson Hole. The magnificence, grandeur, and peace of this sacred, enchanted place began to work its magic immediately. I have lived in silence for almost 2 years. Meditation and appreciation have become my way of life. Living low energy and moving into high energy with your help has worked. Living low energy and moving into high energy with your help has worked miracles. I have moved from hemorrhaging eyes, internal lessons, aseptic aseptic meningitis,
Mid-90
and sway
and
and sway
severe
muscle
muscle pain. अरे जो भी
sway
हेल्थ कंडीशंस हैं.
to health that include all day mountain hiking and cross country skiing. I
Skiing.
am slowly skiing. I am slowly getting off of the dangerous drugs used to control the diseases, and I know I can do it. You have shown me the way to being well. I will I will forever be grateful. God bless you a thousandfold, Wayne, Viney, for following your bliss and helping others to find theirs. I hope there will come a time when I can express my gratitude in person. Until then, I will see you in the gap.
आपने कभी देखा है कि जब भी आप सिटी लाइफ में होते हो और कभी वेकेशन के लिए पहाड़ों में जाते हो या नियर एनी नेचुरल प्लेसेस में स्पेसेस में जाते हो, यू ऑल ऑफ अ सडन अपने आप ही यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग गुड. It is not always because of the vacation that you're going to, but because of the vibes, because of the energy that is revolving there. Do you know that? क्योंकि घर से निकलते हुए तो हमारे को बहुत स्ट्रेस था कि हाय राम, ये ना रह जाए, वो ना रह जाए, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, सब करते कराते अब जब वहां पहुंच जाते हो, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग गुड बिकॉज यू आर फीलिंग सम अदर वाइब्स देयर. एंड इसीलिए कहते हैं कि हर थोड़े दिनों बाद कहीं ना कहीं घूमने भी जाना चाहिए, in the mountains or maybe somewhere where there is God's creation more of. Okay, let's go to step number 8. Madhulika, do
To
you
be
want to
health,
read? Can you read this? ये टेक्स्ट है बड़ा, नहीं छोटा है. Okay, Anita, you go ahead.
to be health, you must totally identify with the wholeness that you are. You can stop seeing yourself as a physical body and immerse yourself in the idea of absolute well being. This can become your new identification card. Here you breathe only wellness, you think only perfect health, and you detach from appearance of illness in the world. Soon you recognize only perfection in others. You stand firm in your truth, reflecting only thoughts of well being and speaking only words of infinite possibility for healing any and all disease processes. This is your rightful identity of wholeness, and you live it as if you and the source that creates all are one and the same. This is your ultimate truth. You can allow this dynamic aura of wholeness to saturate and animate your every thought until it is all that you have to give away. This is how you heal from that inner knowing and trust of your wholeness. बीच में से समझ नहीं आया कुछ, करिश्मा बताना.
Madhulika, do you want to share?
What I can correlate this with the placebo effect. You know, the placebo effect. If you believe in something, then it will definitely going to work for you. The patients were given sugar pills and not the painkillers, but they worked as painkillers because they didn't knew that these are sugar pills. Their pain was healed just because of their belief system. So I think we need to detach from the even the appearance of the illness in the world, and we need to see it gives you पॉजिटिविटी. आज ही मैंने एक बहुत अच्छा कोट में पढ़ रही थी, मुझे पूरा अच्छे से याद नहीं अभी, मैं मुझे दोबारा पढ़ के लिख के अपने इस पे लगाना है, बट व्हाट इट मेंट वाज it was from Jay Shetty, and he was sharing this that losers losers talk behind the back, they bitch, and they enjoy that. Whereas on the other hand, the good people or the achievers, they also discuss, but they see how we can improve. The losers, they talk about someone's defeat or someone's lack of something, and they enjoy that they don't lack of that. Whereas the giver, they will treat it the other way. And there are no losers and no givers. It is just what you see.
Wow.
That was very impactful. There was 4 or 5 things he told, that losers do this and givers do, the achievers do this. The end, there were 2 sentences that there are no losers, no achievers. It is just how you look at that point of, what is your
Because
point
हम
of
लोग ही
view.
define कर रहे हैं ना कि losing and gaining क्या है.
Yes.
It
We
is
are
no.
defining, it is our attitude, the way we are looking up to others, it is defining us, that what am I looking for? It is very interconnected, that yet beauty holds in the eyes of the beholder. So it is, it is up to me what I am going to look at it. So nowadays, I told you, I live with the principle. I write a principle and I live with that principle for a couple of days. So I have lived by the principle that don't condemn, complain, or criticize. That is what I have practiced. I have mindfully, I have practiced that come what may, I will not condemn, I will not criticize, I will not complain. So that was a one principle that I lived by. Nowadays, I'm living by some other principle. So over here also, it is the same, that what do you see? It is all your intention what matters. Whether you are ill or whether you are okay, and how you're going to, acceptance, only the transition times matters. As soon as as soon as we accept the things, जो पीछे था, surrender. Surrender is nothing but acceptance. Whatever has been done, let us see how to move forward. जब तक हम ये कष्ट में रहते हैं, मैं ही क्यों, मुझे क्यों, मेरे साथ क्यों, ऐसा ही क्यों, that transition phase is the painful phase. Once the transition phase is over, the painful phase is over. Now now you're on your healing path. Now you're on your growth path. तो इसमें मुझे लगा कि यही है, that yes, it is your health to be health. You must totally identify with the wholeness that you are. So basically, what your attitude defines your health also.
Wonderful. Thank you for sharing that, Madhulika. That was a real quick catching up with the pace of the book. Step number 9. Allow health to stream into your life. Become conscious of resistance, which interferes with the natural flow of health energy to you. This resistance is in the form of your thoughts. Any thought that's out of the sync with the 7 phases of intention is a resistant thought. Any thought that says that it's impossible to heal is a resistant thought. Any thought of doubt or fear is a resistant thought. When you observe these thoughts, note them carefully and deliberately activate thoughts that are in energetic, vibrational balance with the all-providing source of intention. All right? कोई भी थॉट जो हमारे को, ये हम सुबह भी बात थॉट्स के ऊपर बहुत सारी कर चुके हैं इन द अवेकन द जायंट विद इन, कि योर थॉट्स जिस डायरेक्शन में आप लेके जाते हो उसकी वजह से आपकी रियलिटी एक्चुअली बिल्ड होती है. ठीक है, योर डेस्टिनी इज बिल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द थॉट्स यू आर थिंकिंग. एंड नाउ इट इज सेइंग कि अगर आप अपने ही हीलिंग प्रोसेस में अपनी ही हेल्थ को लेके कोई रेजिस्टेंट थॉट्स अगर सामने लेके आओगे, तो डू यू थिंक यू कैन बी हील्ड? नो. अगर आप कहोगे मैं तो, जस्ट लाइक आई वाज टेलिंग द स्टोरी ऑफ माय डॉटर, मैं तो हर बर्थडे पे बीमार होंगी, कल मेरे को बुखार हो जाएगा ना मम्मी. क्या कर रही थी? रेजिस्टेंस क्रिएट कर रही थी कि मेरा बर्थडे है, मेरे को तो बुखार होना ही है. एंड आई एम टेलिंग नहीं नहीं, इस बार नहीं होगा, बिकॉज यू हैव ईटन गुड थ्रू आउट द ईयर, नाउ यू आर अ हेल्दी बेबी, तुझको नहीं होगा. एंड देन इट डिड नॉट हैपन, एंड देन दैट बिलीफ सिस्टम ब्रोक.
Yeah.
फिर भी अगले साल उसने फिर से बोला, and I told her, do you remember last year you did not get unwell? This year also you'll not get unwell. तो उसके लिए फिर वो बार बार लेके आना पड़ा. And then I made sure that she now follows a healthier eating pattern so that she knows कि हाँ healthy की खाने की वजह से मैं नहीं करूंगी. Otherwise she would not eat fruits, she would not do this and that, and we was like, हाँ मैं तो बीमार हो जाती हूँ. And Anita will read step number 10. You are on mute.
Stay immersed in a state of gratitude. Be grateful for every breath you take, for all of your internal organs that work together in harmony, for the wholeness that is your body, for the blood streaming through your veins, for your brain that allow you to process these words, and the eyes that allow you to read them. Look in the mirror at least once every day and give thanks for that heart that continues to beat and the invisible force on which those heartbeats depend. Stay in gratitude. This is the surest way to keep the connecting link to perfect health, clean and pure.
Amazing.
One of the messages of Jesus of Nazareth is apropos of all that I have presented in this chapter on having a healing intention. If you bring forth what is inside you, what you bring forth will save you. If you don't bring forth what is inside you, what you don't bring forth will destroy you. Nice. What is inside you is a power of intention. No microscope will reveal it. You can find the command center with X-ray technology. But the commander in the command center remains impervious to our sophisticated probing instruments. You are the commander. You are that commander. You must allow yourself to be in vibrational harmony with the greatest commander of all and bring it forth to serve you, rather than allowing yourself to be in a state of disrepair.
बस खत्म हो गया. All right. Anji, what would you say of for these 4 lines that we have read right here?
चाहते हैं ना?
If you bring forth what is inside you, what you bring forth will save you. And if you don't bring forth what is inside you, what you don't bring forth will destroy you. In any case,
अच्छा.
meaning is वैसे तो पढ़ने में भी it is such a beautiful line, you know. But the meaning has already been shared इसके नीचे ही, that we the real true self of us is that we are speck of God's form. जो मर्जी कर लो, जहां मर्जी से हमारे को उठा लो, वी आर वन रे ऑफ द सन इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, अगर हम उस चीज को रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करते हैं, तो that is what, that is the only thing that is going to save us, and that is the only thing, if we don't bring forth, if we do not understand, that is going to destroy us as well. All right. We will meet on Monday at 10 p.m. and on Monday we will start with chapter number 14, which is going to talk about it is my intention to appreciate and express the genius that I am. All right. Until then, take good care of yourself. If you are available, please make sure that attend the session. ओए मधुलिका का कुछ हो रहा है लैपटॉप में.
ये यू आर राइट, ये मेरा बेटा बैठा है. हमने हमारे घर में कैट है, पेट, उसके लिए लेजर लाइट लिया, तो वो लेजर लेके मेरे कैमरे पे.
उसको बोलो यहाँ कोई बिल्ली नहीं है. All right. So, if you can make it, please make sure that you come for the session tomorrow at 1 p.m. This person, again, I will tell you, has achieved more than 1 crores. He has been awarded by Siddharth Rajshekhar for the 1 crore championship. And that was done in November 2024 में वो कर चुके थे. Now he is above and beyond 1 crores. As I was talking to him, he told me that he is around 7 crores right now, I think. It will be very insightful to understand from him ki coaching industry mein what is the back end, how does it work. If you are looking forward to be a coach, like Anita has shared her interest in becoming a coach, I think this will be a very insightful session for you. I don't know, Madhulika, are you looking forward? Are you a coach? Are you looking forward to be a coach or something?
I'm already into training. So
So feel free to attend it. It is going to be of massive value, I'm sure. उन्होंने इतनी मुझसे बात नहीं करी है इस बार. We had a good long chit chats during when we had the one-on-one this Insta collab. But इस time पे we did not talk. I just asked him to give me his Insta का link दे दो, अपना LinkedIn का मेरे को अपना link दे दो. I will read and I will bring out whatever I want to bring out from you. And when I shared with him कि this is what I have come up with, he was like, wow, phenomenal. It will be good. And he's such a grounded person. जब मैंने उनके साथ Insta collab किया था, then also he said yes. And he said, I will be traveling. चलेगा ना? अबे हाँ हाँ सब चलेगा. आप कर लो. कोलैब करो तो सही. And he's a gem of a person. Come and see. Lots of information. कोई questions होंगे तो make sure that you ask those questions as well, क्योंकि the kind of questions we ask is the kind of success. It depends on the questions the kind of questions we ask, the quality of questions we ask decides the quality of success that we are going to have as well. Right. Okay, ji, take care. Good night. Have a
good night.
beautiful weekend. कल Saturday को session है. Sunday we have kept off now. We do not meet on Sundays. Sunday को मेरा दूसरा जो self worth challenge चल रहा है उसका मीटअप होगा. तो ठीक है. Take care. Bye bye. Good night. Good night, Anita. इसको कई बार उठाया आज मैंने. चलो चलो. Bye, Madhulika. Thank you so much for joining.
Bye. Good night. Bye.
Good night.